Hi, this is Richard Chamberlain, and I'm one of the attorneys with the Legacy Law Group in Perrysburg, Ohio. Welcome back to the Protecting Your Family's Future podcast. This is episode number 60. Today, we're going to be talking about guardianships of the person. We've been talking the last several weeks about how guardianships work in Ohio. Today, we're going to be talking specifically about what does the guardian of the person do? Remember that a guardian of the person is the person who's in charge of either a minor who doesn't have parents or doesn't have parents who can take care of them, or is in charge of an incompetent adult. The guardian of the person is not in charge of the assets of the ward. That's done through a guardianship of the estate. Today, we're going to be focusing specifically on guardianship of the person. So when a person is appointed the guardian of the person of a ward, they are basically signing on to take care of the needs of that person, to make sure that they're being provided for, that their needs are being met, they're getting the proper medical attention, they have a safe place to live, and that they are having all of the decisions made for them in their best interest. Now, one of the biggest responsibilities of the guardian of the person is to file a report with the court at the intervals directed by the court. That might be annually, it might be every other year. But essentially, in that guardian's report, the guardian is telling the probate court what is happening with the ward. How is everything going? The probate court is what they call the super guardian. So the court and the probate court judge is overseeing what the guardian is doing, and the guardian, through this guardian's report, is letting the court know what's happening. So in that guardian's report, you let the court know, where is the ward living? Are they in their own home? Are they in an apartment? Are they in a group living facility? Are they living in the guardian's home? Let the court know how long they will be there, whether it's indefinitely or for a specific amount of time. The guardian needs to let the court know how often the guardian has seen the ward since the last time a report was filed. Now, that might be daily. If the ward is living in the guardian's home, it might be once a month. The guardian needs to let the court know the nature of the contact. Are they in person? Are they on the phone? And also the date that the ward was last seen by the guardian. The guardian needs to let the court know, should the guardianship be continued? Is the ward getting proper care? When's the last time the ward was seen by a physician, and for what purpose? So ultimately, the court wants to know what's happening with this ward. Is everything okay? Should things be continued? The guardian needs to also submit a care plan in some circumstances, so that the court knows, what is the goal for this ward in taking care of them, who's involved in the care. Those types of things need to be addressed by the court, so the court knows, again, what's going on. So a guardian of the person is the more, it's the easier to do, at least from a reporting standpoint. Next week, we're going to be talking about what are the duties of the guardian of the estate, and how that reporting goes. And so I hope you'll tune into that one. But I hope this has been helpful for you in understanding what a guardian of the person does, what they're responsible for. If you have any questions, if you are involved in an Ohio guardianship or a Michigan guardianship and you have questions, you can feel free to reach out to us. Our contact information is in the show notes. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next week.